Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll find out why tuple is faster than the list. Before that, we need to learn the working and implementation of both list and tuple. Let's find out the reason. Before starting the video, if you are new here, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to receive every new video updates. Also do check out other videos on our channel. I will attach link in description. You guys can also watch the video on list versus tuple. In order to find out the reason why tuple is faster than list, we need to learn about mutable and immutable objects first. An object whose internal state can be changed is called a mutable object, while an object whose internal state cannot be changed is called an immutable object. List is an example of mutable object and tuple is example of immutable object. In simple words, we can change list after initializing, but we cannot change the tuple after its creation. Let's find out the reason why tuple is faster than list. Tuples are stored in a single block of memory, so creating a new tuple involves at worst a single call to allocate memory. Lists are allocated in two blocks, the fixed one with all the Python object information and a variable-sized block for the data. That's part of the reason why creating a tuple is faster, but it probably also explains the slight difference in indexing speed as there is one fewer pointer to follow. So, for now we all know the reason being tuple working and its architecture which makes it faster than the list. Do you guys have any question in your mind? Do not hesitate to ask your queries in comments section. I will try to answer each of your queries. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Until the next time, goodbye.